Hey everybody, this is Craig for the Everyday Makers. Today I've got kind of a hybrid tool tip kind of deal for you, little somewhat restoration, somewhat tool tip. As many videos as there are out there of people restoring all kinds of really awesome old tools, things like that, this is a little quick one to show you that you can fix your current tools. They use very off-the-shelf parts. Like my particular sander I'm going to work on today is a DeWalt. DeWalt makes every repair part for about every DeWalt thing ever made. All of it's available, and it's really pretty cheap. So rather than going out and buying a new sander when the switch is going bad, no need to buy a new sander. Let's just replace this one. Okay. First, unplug your sander. Then what we're going to be putting in here is a replacement switch. It's really all there is to it. It's a very simple switch, 2 wires, on and off. Start out taking off these first 3 screws here. These on the DeWalt just happen to be a T20, a Torx Bit 20, but each manufacturer will be different. You just got to figure out what works for you. Nice and easy. Okay, on this particular one, the whole top cap comes off. So, work around a little bit so we can get that loosened up. Perfect. Coming off. Roll it over. This little piece is a piece that pops out. Don't want to lose that, so keep an eyeball on it. And we're going to take 2 seconds and blow the dust out of this thing. Okay, now the air compressor's done doing its thing. This is real simple. Just pull this out, and there should be a little rubber boot over the top of this that keeps dust out of the inside of the switch. So just gotta figure out, that just peels right off, good. Then the switch, there's a yellow and a black, real simple. Just pull them off. And it doesn't necessarily matter, but the yellow went in the middle and the black went on the outside. So we'll replace that in the same manner. Dust out my dust boot. Put that sucker back on top. Let's actually turn it. I'm getting a little bit of a crack in this, so we'll turn it. So the part I'm leaning on most is the easiest part. Okay. Come on, dust boot. Yeah, that might be a near future replacement too. It's getting pretty whooped. Okay, then just put it back in its slot here. Make sure everything lines up, goes back where it needs to go. That's it. That's that simple. So now we'll put on, this is keyed to show you which way it goes. Mine was on high, so yep, flops right on high. This has a little notch that fits this little thing, so just got to kind of work it around a little bit, but no big deal. My 3 screws back in. Plug her back in. Make sure she works. That's a yes. Perfect. Okay, thanks for joining me on that one. How easy was that? Perfect new switch. This video was basically shot in real time. There's no real editing on this. That's how quick it is. Don't be scared of repairing your tools. As always, unplug everything when you're getting ready to. Don't shock yourself. But for the most part, if somebody put it together, you can take it apart and put it back together. Something like this was a 2-minute fix, and I've got, I want to say $6 or $7 in that switch, and that's including shipping. It's cheap, it's easy to do, and I've basically got a brand new sander right now. I mean, the switch was the only thing that ever caused me any trouble. It's fixed. So don't be scared of your tools. And like I said, every major manufacturer has parts available, so just look them up. They're not hard to find. Yeah, real simple one. So thanks for joining me on that one. Don't forget, like, subscribe, reshares. All those are fantastic for us. Likes are super, super huge. The more we get likes on videos, the more people see the videos. That's the way YouTube works. So the more we can get for that, the better. Yeah, I appreciate you stopping by. Catch you in the next one.